Hi, my name is Lebowa Moroen. I am 18 years old. I am a singer. I am not going to tell you why to vote for me because I believe my voice, it speaks for itself. So I'm going to sing Jessie J's Who You Are. Thank you. I stare at my reflection in the mirror. Why am I doing this to myself? Losing my mind on this tiny error. I nearly lost the real me on the shelves. No, 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 no. Don't lose who you are. In the blur of the stars. Seeing is believing. Dreaming is deceiving. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard to follow your heart. Crying isn't losing, everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are.